Welcome. In this current lecture, we are going to see about the binary arithmetic. So basically, we have four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as usual in the decimal arithmetic also. So we will see these particular operations one by one. First, we will start with the addition operation. So 1-bit addition operation is defined as follows: 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is defined as 0 with 1 carry, because 1 plus 1 will become 2 only. Now let's see this particular with an example. So how this particular addition will be performed. So these two numbers are in the base 2 and the corresponding decimal value is 21 and 25. So now let's add these two numbers. So 1 plus 1 will be 0 and 1 will be carry, and 1 plus 0 will become 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1, and 1 plus 0 will be how much? 1, 0. So when we convert this number, it will be coming out to be 46. So this is same as the decimal addition, so you can check that. So the correct answer of this particular binary addition is this. Now next operation is the subtraction operation. So subtraction operation is defined as like this: 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 1 will be 0 with a borrow 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So we will see this, how this borrow will be coming into the picture. So let's see how this subtraction operation perform. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Now 0 minus 1 is not possible. So check the second row, we have 1 borrow. So borrow will be coming from this. Okay. So when we take borrow over here, so it will become 1 0 minus 1. So it will become 1, and this is already given borrow to the lower bit, so it will become 0 0 0 and 0. So you can see the decimal equivalent subtraction also. So this is 29 and this is 27. So difference is 0 2 in decimal, and when you convert this binary number into decimal, it is 0 2 only. Fine. So this is how subtraction is performed. Now next operation is the multiplication operation. So multiplication operation is defined like this: 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. So let's see how this particular multiplication operation is performed in the binary number system. So this is binary and the decimal equivalent is given like this. So let's multiply these two numbers. So we'll use same method, shift and addition. So let's do it. So it will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 multiplied by 5 bits, then again we shift it. So it will be 0 0 0 0 0, then 1. So 1 will copy the same value, so we'll shift it by 2 bits. So it will be 0 1 0 1 1, and again shift it by 1, so it will be 0 1 0 1 1. Now add them and get the answer. So it will be what? 0 0 0, this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 0 1 1 0. So this is the answer in binary number system. Decimal wise, its multiplication will be 312, and when we convert this number, this is equivalent to 312. So you can check that number. So it's 256 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8. So it's coming out to be 312. Now next operation is our division operation. So division operation will be same as the long division operation. So let's see how this division operation will be performed. So this is our divisor and this is our number. So how do we divide it? So first we will go with 1 only, because now when we try with 1 and we take first 3 bits, the division is not possible. So we add one more bit. So it will be 1 1 0. Now subtract it. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 minus 1 is, take a borrow over there, so it will be 1 1 0 minus 1, so it will be 1. Next 0, then it will again go by 1 time. So just write 1 1 0, it will become 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, and this is borrow, so it will become 1 only. Okay, then we take one more 1, and it will go by 1 time, so it will become 1 1 0. Now the subtraction will become, this is 1 and this will become 1 and this will become 0 0. So since all the digits are occupied, we put our decimal over there and then we just get a 0 over there. So now when we divide it by 1 times, it will become 1 1 0 and the answer is 0 0 0. So this the answer for this particular question will be 1 1 1 1 in the binary. So this is the answer for the division operation. So we have seen all the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you.